Are you Lord of the cross? We cry with broken heart, light among the shadows of death, hope in the touched night. You alone among the nations have remained through the ages, the love that's without end. On the wood of the crucified, on your face is blood, in your hands are nails, but your peace remains strong. Where sorrow is heavy, not kingdoms nor swords, but your heart reigns, and in your patience heaven wraps us close. O Christ our life, fount of mercy, we follow you through the darkness. Lead us to the brightness. Through your holy cross, hope is fully reborn. You're the way, the truth, and the peace. You came down to the earth to lift a lowly hoy. You took the form of servant to show how deep you'd love, and your gentle words do cover the wounds we hide inside, and your divine eyes never deny our cries. In the sacrament of the altar you stand living still. Turn to heaven's bread to feed us without fill. Though we don't see, we do believe, our hearts are truly stirred, and in the breaking of the bread we know you're risen, Lord. Oh Christ our life, fount of mercy, we follow you through the darkness. Lead us to the brightness.